So hi, Tim from Tim's Coins here. We're going to have a look at these two little guys today. This is on the left here. We have a 1 penny 1919 from Australia. On the right is a 1948 British half crown. Both of these come from a little black purse that I came across. I made a video, I think 2 videos ago, of all the coins that was in it. The rest of the coins are gone into coin folders to join my ever-growing coin collection. So I just thought these two are a little bit interesting and might be worth making a video out of. So let's just have a closer look. So let's start with this guy. It's a 1948 British half crown, and this guy has not been fully nickeled. If you know the minting process, it's sheets of copper plated with nickel. So it looks like this guy has had possibly some grime, bit of grease around the area where this coin was stamped out of, and the nickel didn't adhere to the copper, and when the blanks were punched out, there's possibility that the ones around it were complete copper, no nickel at all, which would be very interesting to see. Now I also thought that it might have been somebody trying to strip the nickel from the coin by dipping it in some sort of corrosive substance to try and strip off the nickel to make it look like a copper coin. But I'm not 100% sure, because still along the high fields of the design you can still see traces of nickel. And you can just see them there. And the low fields of the flat are nickel free, total copper like. So you'd imagine if it was dipped in something that the nickel would strip most definitely off the high fields every bit as quick as off the low fields. So we'll just zoom back out there for a minute now. This is a 48 the way it should be. So it's an interesting little guy. I'll class it as an error for the moment until I come across information that will state otherwise. Over 71 million of them minted in 1948. So, and then this other little guy is a 1919 Australian penny. Now, the only reason I thought this was a bit interesting was over here that there's a couple of varieties of this coin. There's no dot below the scroll and a double dot, and this one seems to be, if you can just see, the dot below, there's no dot above. So this is it, and that some say was the mint mark, saying that it was possibly minted in Melbourne. Not 100% sure. So it was either Melbourne or Sydney. Nice little coin, quite worn. Grade is cool, not great. There's a lot of wear along the crown. You can still see the beads on the top of the crown. The writing is quite sharp on both sides. So I would sort of put it around fine, which would give it a value of about €5, 5 to 6 Australian dollars, I suppose. Nice little coin. So there you go. Just thought they were little interesting coins. I thought we'd have a look at them. So if you want to see more about coin collecting, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment if you spotted anything here that I missed and maybe you know a bit more about the Australian penny, which would be great to hear from you. Yeah, other than that, look, enjoy your weekend. See you again, guys.